Heating copper salts produces a beautiful green flame, like the one you're seeing here. I'd like to show you how you can use the copper found in pennies and some other simple materials to create such a beautiful green copper flame in your next campfire. The first step is to form copper salts on the surface of a penny or another copper coin. To do this, you'll start by mixing 7 grams of table salt into 100 grams of household ammonia. After dissolving the salt, soak a paper towel in the resulting mixture. Next, squeeze out the excess fluid and flatten the paper towel down onto a piece of aluminum foil. Now we're ready to form the copper salt on the surface of the penny. Place the penny onto the paper towel, but make sure it doesn't touch the aluminum foil. Next, take a 9-volt battery and touch the positive battery terminal to the penny while simultaneously touching the negative terminal to the aluminum foil. When you do this, you should press down hard on the penny. If everything's working, you should hear a slight hissing sound. Pick up the penny and move it to a fresh portion of the paper towel and repeat several times. Finally, turn the treated side of the penny face up and watch the copper salt form on the surface of the penny right before your eyes. You can learn more about the copper salt it forms by checking out the video linked in the comments. Now that we've formed copper salt on our penny, we're ready to use it to make a green campfire flame. Okay, let me carefully add this wooden platform to the fire so we can place our pennies on it. Now I'll add a regular penny with no copper salt on it onto the platform. And this time I'll add a penny that has copper salt formed on its surface. Would you look at that? After the penny heats up a bit, a green flame forms around it. You can even see the green flame form a circular outline around the penny. Remarkably, the green flame persisted for well over a half an hour in the campfire. In contrast, I did not see a green flame around the pennies that were not coated with copper salt. Here's some video I collected with my smartphone of some other pennies I coated with copper salt and placed in the fire. Be sure to drop me a note in the comments if you try this experiment out on your own. And if you figure out how to make other colored flames like red or blue, be sure to let me know how you do this. Happy experimenting!